Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some ginger beetroot carrot drink. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is so refreshing. Please guys, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Please give me a big thumbs up. So guys, I'm gonna use 1 bag of medium-sized carrot and 3 beetroot, okay? So you can always remove the peel from your carrot like so, or if you want guys, you can just blend it up as it is. Yes, I'm just cutting my beetroot. You want to just cut it guys in small pieces, because remember I'm gonna blend it up, so you want it to blend out properly, okay? Like so, or just a bit more smaller. Yeah, so that's done. Now I just cut in my ginger, but guys, I don't remove the peel off my ginger. You can always remove it. So you just want to cut it, you know, just small. As I said, you want it to blend properly, okay? Yes, so that's done. So what I've been doing guys, I'm just adding my beetroot, my carrot, my ginger to my blender. But what I'm gonna do guys, instead of using water, I'm gonna use coconut water to blend it up, okay? Yes, because the coconut water guys is gonna add a sweetness to the drink, because I'm not gonna add no sugar. I want to keep it as healthy as possible, okay? So that's why you don't want to fill it, just fill it halfway through. Like so. I'm just gonna blend it all up. So guys, this is what it looks like after I blend it. I'm telling you, it smells so good, so rich. You could smell the ginger, the beetroot. Oh my goodness, honestly guys, this right here is so good, and it's so healthy. Everything is all blend now. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it off. So I'm just gonna put it all in my jug right here. I'm gonna strain it. If you don't have a strainer, you can always use whatever you have at home, okay? I normally use strainer to strain my drink whenever I made a drink. This is what worked for me. If it doesn't work for you guys, use something else, okay? Yes. I'm gonna strain it at least 3 times, because I want all that bits not to get into my drink, okay? You can always take a spoon and just press it down so it come right through. I'm telling you guys, this drink right here is so healthy. I never yet add coconut water to my drink. This is something new for me. It just came to my head and I said, you know what, this is gonna work very well. Instead of using the sugar, I add the coconut water, because you know coconut water guys is a bit sweet, you know, so I know it's gonna go perfectly with this drink, with all that ginger. This recipe right here is a must try. Please guys, share it to your families, to your friends, everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. This is some good stuff right here, very healthy. Guys, my juice is all strained, but what I want to show you guys, you can always add at least half cup of water in it, because trust me guys, this is same way, it's still rich. So you want to make the most of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add at least half cup of water to it, like so. And what you want to do, you want to just mix it. So everything will all combine and you can just strain it. Okay, this is just an idea I want to show you guys. Yes, because you want to make the most out of this thing. I think I'm gonna add some more water, at least just quarter cup. Yeah, and just strain it. Okay, yes. So guys, this is gonna be my third time straining it. Okay, so as you can see, it is all smooth, and that's exactly how you want it. That's perfect. Do you see that color, guys? Nice and red. Perfect, perfect, perfect color. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add 1 lime to it. Okay, I'm just gonna strain it so no bits get into it. The lime is just gonna give it this freshness. It's gonna bring such a freshness to the drink. Yes, if you don't have any lime, you can always use lemon. Yeah. So now that I had my lime, I'm just gonna give it a stir. And there you have it, guys. This is your ginger, carrot, beetroot drink. So natural. Look at that. I'm loving this drink, guys. I'm so loving it. Because I had no sugar to it. So it is healthy. Only coconut water. Here I have my glass, guys, and what I did, I just add some lime pieces. So now I'm gonna add my drink. Look at that. It looks so good. I'm gonna add some ice to my mason jar, because you know you need your ice. I like my drink to be super, super refreshing. Yes. So guys, I hope you do give this recipe a try. If you do, please comment below and tell me what it's like. I'm telling you, it tastes amazing. It is super, super refreshing, guys. Honestly, it is not fresh. It just have this nice natural taste to it, all because of that coconut water. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please share it, guys, to your friends, to your families, to everyone on your social media. Please give me a big thumbs up. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. And please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already.